Okay, we went from this Dollar Tree sign to this fence home wall decor. So I seen this at Dollar Tree the other day, and immediately a fence popped in my head. So I took it home, and I took the ribbon off the back and laid them all out. And those two off to the side, remember those. I did those first just to kind of see if my technique that I had learned would work. But remember those. I'm going to tell you a funny story about those because, I'm new. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm learning. So, where the staple pieces were, I just, kind of sanded down, made it smooth again, and there will still be some holes. Don't worry about that. It's not a big deal. It doesn't even halfway show up in the end. But I did kind of want to get the raised pieces down. So I'm brand new to all this. Don't know what the heck I'm doing. I keep losing footage, and I keep correcting footage, and it's aggravating. But I'm learning. I'm trying. So then I took a candle and went over the top of that Waverly truffle. And I mean, you could pretty much use any brown that suits you, or even a stain if you wanted. I'm sure it would work. The wax is the key. So once you've got them all coated with wax, take one coat of Waverly white chalk paint. Now, a lot of videos I've seen, they say that they do 2 full coats. Well, I wanted an extreme chippy wood look, so I just went with 1 coat. I did try one with 2 coats, and it just didn't distress the way I wanted it to. So, anyway, now that you've got that wax layer and the white on top of that, go back and take some duct tape, okay? And take a strip, lay over the top, and smooth it out, like really well. And then pull it off. And it creates, voila! So happy. A perfectly chippy look. I love it. It turned out so pretty. And, yeah, see, I tried to use the same piece again. Doesn't work. You got to use a new one. So, like I said in the beginning, I'm brand new to all this. And I lost the footage of me actually putting the sign together after I painted. So, I know it's not on the screen yet, but I wanted to kind of tell you because I only have like a small section at the end to tell you about how I put the sign together. So, I took some yardsticks that I had from Lowe's and dabbed a bunch of that truffle paint on there. And I laid out the pieces and glued one across the top of the backs and one across the bottom of the backs to kind of create the backing, yeah, screwed up, majorly screwed up. I'm sorry. I'm learning, and I promise you I will get better. Yeah. Anyway, so in a minute I'm fixing to show you where I screwed up. Remember at the beginning, I told you I screwed up? Well, I did. Majorly did. So instead of putting the truffle down first, I put white down first. Then I put a layer of wax. And then I put the truffle paint on top of the wax and did that duct tape thing. And this is how they looked. And I left it in the video because I thought, well, somebody might like that look. So that's what it would look like right there if you did white on the bottom and wax and then brown. I didn't like it. I wanted the brown as the background. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. So, like I said, anyway, that's me redoing it. And so, back to how I put the sign together. After I did the top and bottom pieces with the, oh, sorry, that was my kids. The Lowe's piece of yardstick. I took a piece of poster board, cut it down to like a 5x7 size. Those are Dollar Tree wooden letters that I painted white. That's lamb's ear, and then that's just Dollar Tree ribbon at the top. And that's how I decorated mine. I loved it. Had fun.